please don't look at the exact numbers, but more about it's more about the general direction and the reasoning behind those numbers, and that's true for all my analysis and all my charts. So, for example, you could say, "Oh yeah, it's below 64," and you said it couldn't go below 64 because it's a support line. No, it can be below there, but I don't think it will stay there for long. And the general pattern that we see is that the 5-month is above the 2-year, above the realized price. And that situation is true in bull markets.
Plan B, the creator of the Bitcoin stock to flow model, has revealed why he is optimistic on Bitcoin despite the recent price corrections. He advises that you shouldn't get caught up in the exact numbers shown in charts. Instead, you should pay attention to the general trends and the larger reasoning behind those numbers. Through this method, he was able to note a specific pattern in Bitcoin's bull markets. When the 5-month moving average is above the 2-year moving average and both are above the realized price, it typically indicates a bullish market trend. We will now bring you clips of the video as Plan B explains more. Please take a little time to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for your daily dose of crypto news. We hope you enjoy.
Stop, you don't have time. Don't miss out this 2025 bull run. Educate yourself first ahead of the crowd. We have created the ultimate step-by-step crypto cheat guide that will guide you this bull run. Unlock the secrets of crypto and make smarter investments today. Now by clicking on the link below to get your exclusive copy just under $10.
Okay, first chart, the stock to flow model. Bitcoin closed June a little bit above 62,000, and so the market is in a boring trading range for a couple of months now between 60 and 70k. And until we find direction, it will stay there. So after a halving, the Bitcoin price always lags the model value and the price starts moving only a couple months after the halving, and it takes 12 to 18 months before the price gets to the stock to flow model predictions. So in my opinion, we just need some patience. And I know that's difficult, but it's the only thing we can do. Wait. Next chart, red. We're still in a bull market. And I know it might feel differently, but the numbers don't lie. Those are all unchained numbers. There's nothing abnormal. We should be here. I would be worried if we would get yellow now or green, which is impossible, but yellow. But we don't have it. It's red. It's a bull market. So that gives me some comfort. RSI, that's interesting. Dropped a little bit, or is stable between 60 and 70, you could say. It's 65 now. It was 69. And some people think the bull market is over. And actually their reasoning is quite interesting. The reasoning is that Bitcoin has diminishing returns. So each cycle, we see the tops getting lower and the bottoms getting lower. And also in this RSI chart, you can clearly see a diminishing return pattern. I don't believe in diminishing returns. I believe in exponential returns. But anyway, the people that think the bull market is over also see a normalizing. So they think Bitcoin markets are normalizing to a normal trading range. So the normal trading range of the RSI is between 30 and 70. So for stocks, for example, for foreign exchange markets, it's all between 30 and 70. So Bitcoin is a bit higher. So you could see this peak at above 70 as a normalizing of the Bitcoin market, and then we see a bear market that's probably steeper into the 30 area. So I can understand that reasoning, the bear market reasoning, but I don't think that will be the case. In my opinion, there will not be diminishing returns. There will be exponential returns, and we will see RSI values above 80 again, like in 2013, in 2017, and in 2021. So time will tell, but it is interesting, and we'll be watching the RSI quite closely. next chart is the moving average, 200-week moving average. So that's roughly 4 years. So we take the average Bitcoin price of the last 4 years. That's the dark black line. And it's at 37 right now, rising as always. This 200-week moving average has never gone down, but slowly rising. And nothing abnormal.
Bitcoin closed June a little above $62,000, and currently, the price is fluctuating between $60,000 and $70,000. Plan B describes this as a boring trading range that may continue for a few months. According to him, the market condition indicator shows the color red, which means we are still in a bull market. He reassures that there's nothing abnormal in the current data and that this is a sign of a continued bull market. While some believe that Bitcoin's returns are diminishing over time, with lower peaks and troughs in each cycle, Plan B disagrees. He believes that Bitcoin will continue to experience exponential returns and that RSI values could rise above 80 again, similar to past bull markets. Now, let's hear more of Plan B's analysis with charts.
Bitcoin realized price. Now, the realized price is 31 at the end of June. The 2-year realized price is 48,000. And the 5-month realized price, the short-term hodler price, is 65 right now. So Bitcoin is a little bit below the 5 months realized price. And this light blue line, the 5 months realized price, has always served as a support line in bull markets. So Bitcoin rarely goes below this line. It sticks to that line, actually. And the same has been true for the last couple of months. So right now, Bitcoin sitting at that light blue line, or actually being a little bit below that line, is very interesting. I expect it to bounce from this 5-month realized price up, and but we don't want to go down. So we're closely watching this as well. And please don't look at the exact numbers, but it's more about the general direction and the reasoning behind those numbers. And that's true for all my analysis and all my charts. So for example, you could say, oh yeah, it's below 64, and you said it couldn't go below the 64 because it's a support line. No, it can be below there, but I don't think it will stay there for long. And the general pattern that we see is that the 5-month is above the 2-year, above the realized price. And that situation is true in bull markets. In bear markets, we see the 5-month realized price first drop below the 2-year realized price and then drop below the realized price. It happened every bear market. So those are the signals, the big directions that we're looking for, not if this number is at the line or slightly below the line or 1,000 up or down. That's not important. So right now all looks normal. I expect a bounce from that 65,000, but we'll see. Realized return. Sellers got 13% return in June. That's not much, but it's positive, and you can compare it, I think, with 2017. You had some red, some green, orange. Same hesitation in the market as at the start of the 2017 bull market. Now, blue would worry me, right? In talking about this general direction and the reasoning behind the numbers, blue would worry me. Green doesn't. Orange, yellow. This is all in line with history. Bitcoin in profit, same thing. 90% of the hodlers is in profit, and we can compare that, well, maybe to 2013. A lot of yellow and orange and red at the start of the bull market, at the level of the last top, and we see that again here. Some hesitation. Market is clearly searching for direction. I hope it will get that direction anytime soon, and until that time, we have to be patient. Okay.
Plan B advises focusing on the general direction and reasoning behind the numbers rather than fixating on specific price levels or short-term fluctuations. He notes that Bitcoin is slightly below the 5-month realized price but still above the 2-year realized price. Historically, the 5-month realized price serves as a strong support level during bull markets. He expects the price to bounce back from this support level. Finally, Plan B encourages us to be patient, and he suggests that the current market conditions are normal for a bull market and that significant movements will come with time. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section and continue the discussion. If you found today's video informative and would like to receive more updates on crypto and global finance, please consider liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and enabling post notifications for your daily dose of crypto news. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. For more daily dose crypto news, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.